Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you. Hey folks, in this lecture we are going to cover the RDBMS. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System, and its definition is a relational database is also a type of database. It uses a structure that allows us to identify and access data in relation to another piece of data in the database. Often data in a relational database is organized into tables. Okay, so you're probably thinking, hey, Imran, what's the difference between a regular database and relational database? Well, that's a very good question, and I could explain you in a visual way. So here's a database, and you have a table here. So let's see, this is the employee table who work in an organization. We have the employee numbers, we have the employee identification number, the name, and which department they work on. Then we have another table that has the employee identification number, their address, and their phone number. Now, in a regular database, let's say if you are saving some files, you have two spreadsheet where you have all these data saved, and they are saved on your disk. And in operating system world, that saving of the data is in a folder or in structured way, it's called file system. But in a database world, that's also a structure of data or a database. So when you have those two spreadsheet in your file system, there is no relation between these two spreadsheets. So you cannot combine those two spreadsheets to pull the information. So then comes in the relation database. In relation database, we have this one table. And then we have the second table. And there is a relation. We could have a relation between two tables. And let's say we could pull out a similar or same field that is identical between these two tables. And in this case, you notice that employee ID is the same field that can be found in both tables. So we could use that IDs and from table 1 and go to table 2 and join that. So if I wanted to know what is the address of Imran Afzal, and I know from table 1 that Imran Afzal's ID is 10001. So I'm going to take that ID and I'm going to find that and search for that ID to join in the second table so I could get Imran Afzal's address, and it will pull me the address which will be like three someplace and the phone number. That's what the relational database. And in this entire course we will be covering everything about the relational database.